Welcome! I'm so excited for today's video because I'll be sharing my craft room. This video has been requested so many times. Just kidding. No one has requested this video, but I'm sharing it anyways. This is what the room looked like before the makeover. So you might wonder, where did I do projects before? Basically everywhere in my house. The floor, dining room, I did a video in my closet. You would never know it was created in my closet. I chose pink because it's my favorite color and it makes me happy. I will leave the name of the paint in the description below. When you do your craft room, make sure that you pick a color that you like, because remember, only you will be spending a lot of time in there. I know some people find taking the tape off satisfying, but honestly, it was a nightmare to take it off. I purchased a calyx unit that will go here, and move the dresser to the other side of the room, remove the mirror because I'm going to be putting a pegboard on the top. I bought 8 photo shelves from IKEA. I'll be putting 4 on each side of the window. Here's my beautiful calyx unit. It was really hard to put this thing together. I had to have my husband help me. The calyx unit is definitely my favorite part of the room. I recommend it. It holds so many supplies and it's very organized. I really like it. Talking about organization, so I went crazy and bought a lot of bins, different sizes from different stores, mostly Walmart and Dollar Tree. My only tip for you is when you're designing your craft room, make sure that you see what you have and then buy the bins. I couldn't wait, so I bought the bins before, and now I have things that I have extra bins that I don't even know what to put in it. For example, this little containers from Dollar Tree, I purchased 4 of them and now I don't know what to put in them. Here are some cool bases that my husband found in our trip to IKEA. At the end I will show you the final look, but they're so beautiful to showcase your materials and also use as decor. I'm going to start by putting rubber bands. Then I added some little gems or embellishments, however you call it. They're so pretty. Here's the reality. I just finished putting all the rubber bands in the base and my son decided to throw them all in the floor, so I had to do it multiple times. So let's start putting some drawers together. So on the first drawer I'll be putting foam brushes. I don't know about you, but I love foam brushes. They are my favorite. Here's the final look, very nice and neat and organized. If I sound a little quiet, it's because everybody's sleeping right now, so I'm trying to be as quiet as possible. So when I was setting up the ribbon drawer, I noticed that one of my drawers, I put it the wrong way. Oh my god. Now I had to take this drawer apart again and flip the bottom. It never ends. Anyways, back to my ribbons. So most of my ribbons are new because I got them on clearance at the end of last year's Christmas season when they were on sale at Michael's, Walmart, Dollar Tree. For the ones that I use already, I put a rubber band to hold them in place. I find this very convenient and it does not get loose, and you can still see the color of the ribbon, which is what I really like. Isn't this drawer so pretty? I really like it because you can see all the colors. And in this drawer, I put a little basket so that anything that doesn't fit, random stuff, I can put it in there. So my other obsession is nail polishes. As you can see, I do have a problem. Last time I counted, I had about 155 nail polishes. Ever since I had my son, I haven't been able to really do my nails or anything like that, but I think now that he's a little older, I'll be able to sit down and play with my nail polishes again. So after I recorded this video, I changed my mind on the nail polish display. Even though I really like it, I decided to put my glitters in display instead, just because in reality I'll be using glitter more than I'll be using my nail polishes. We are near the end. I will be wiping all the surfaces and putting the last few things, and I'm ready to show you how it turned out. Here's my beautiful craft room. I really love it. When I come to this room, it makes me feel happy and relaxed. I hope this video inspires you to create a space for yourself, big or small, something that makes you happy. Here's my beautiful Calyx unit. I really love it, and now I know why so many crafters have it, and it's because it holds all your sentimental items and your materials. Now I have a Cricut station, which makes it really convenient when you're doing a project. This is the most important part of this room, and it's my baby's desk. Here is my desk, of course it's pink. My nail polishes looking all really nice. They only stay there for about a week before I changed them. Here's all like my paint wall, and as you can see, there's still spaces that you can add. This is my pegboard. The top of the dresser with all my sewing supplies and things like that. A close-up on the dresser. Follow what this notebook says. Do more of what makes you happy. And I use the notebook to write all my crafting ideas or any video ideas, anything like that. So if you haven't noticed, I really like hummingbirds, so when I saw these hummingbirds in IKEA, I had to get them. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and thank you if you subscribe. See you next time.